J Mammone Architecture's Golden Vale House stuns with its design that seamlessly blends with the surrounding Megalong Valley. The architects took their cues directly from the environment, creating a home that reflects the beauty of the escarpments and bushland. This contemporary dwelling was crafted for a couple who cherish photography and nature. It serves as a tranquil escape from the bustle of city life. The key focus of the project was to establish a strong connection between the built structure and its natural surroundings. Golden Vale House boasts a unique layout. The residence consists of several interconnected sections that rotate around a central point, offering breathtaking panoramic views in every direction. Solid rammed earth walls, reminiscent of the area's natural formations, define the living spaces while providing both separation and a sense of connection between rooms. The clever design prioritizes solar gain and exceptional views for each room. Large windows bathe the interiors with natural light, while smaller framed openings create a delicate balance between shelter and openness. The central living area features expansive floor-to-ceiling windows that seamlessly open to the outdoors, blurring the lines between interior and exterior spaces. Surfaces throughout the home are kept minimalist to avoid competing with the breathtaking vistas. The master bedroom, located away from the main living area, captures the soft morning light and offers a private retreat with stunning views of the valley. Every space in the house is meticulously planned to maximize the connection with nature, prioritizing unique perspectives over conventional layouts. The material selection further strengthens the home's connection to its surroundings. Charred timber cladding echoes the dark, peeling bark of trees, while the gray-toned rammed earth walls mimic the striations of the escarpments. Warm interior colors and exposed timber ceilings evoke the feeling of the surrounding bushland canopy. This thoughtful material application creates a cozy and intimate atmosphere within the home. Golden Vale House strikes a perfect balance between being a prominent feature in the landscape and seamlessly integrating with it. The architects achieved this by using dark, recessive tones that allow the house to recede visually. The result is a dwelling that offers both a sense of refuge and exposure to the natural world. J Mammone Architecture crafted a remarkable home that unfolds gradually, revealing its unique spaces and breathtaking views as you explore. Golden Vale House stands out for its form and connection to the landscape, offering a haven for nature enthusiasts seeking a tranquil escape.